In this lesson, we're going to learn pattern Kibon number 4. So Kibon Hyung number 4. And this pattern addresses some of the shortcomings in the ITF pattern set with regards specifically to kicking. So a lot of techniques that either aren't utilized enough in the ITF pattern set or not at all in the ITF pattern set, or far too late in the ITF pattern set. So that's why, again, that's why this Kibon series of patterns exists. So from here, from Chubi, good. This one I'm going to show again step by step, and the next video you'll get to see the whole pattern with no teaching, just me doing it. So here, when you're learning it for the first time, this is the one to watch. So from here, first movement, stepping back, L stance, knife hand guarding block. Now from here, combination kick. Right leg front snap kick, and then side kick, step back, knife hand guarding block in L stance. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So from here, think two separate opponents. So from here, front kick, side kick, step back, knife hand guarding block. Now from here, turn side kick and palm downward block. So step back and do palm downward block in L stance. From here, once again, turn side kick. Step back and do left palm downward block. Now from here, right outward crescent kick. And then right left middle punch. So as fast as you can. 1, 2. From this position, left outward crescent kick, punch, punch. So left and right. Now from here, and this is walking stance. From here, side kick and turn side kick combination. So side kick, turn side kick, and when you step down, facing the other direction, knife hand guarding block in an L stance. Now from here, stepping forward, sitting stance, knife hand, side strike. Once again, stepping forward, sitting stance, knife hand, side strike. Stepping back, left middle block, right reverse middle punch. Stepping back, right middle block, left reverse middle punch. These are in walking stance. Now from here, inward crescent kick, knife hand outward side block. Then inward crescent kick, right knife hand outward side block. And now from here, combination kick again, or combo. Side kick and turn side kick. So side kick, turn side kick, and when you step down, facing the other direction, knife hand guarding block in L stance. So you're now back where you started. And from there, come on. Good. And breath control. So some important techniques in pattern number 4. The introduction of the crescent kicks. Inward and outward crescent kicks, which are very, very underutilized in the ITF pattern set. The introduction of a turn side kick and using side kick and turn side kick in combination. Very important techniques to have, and they're here in this pattern. And then of course, the use of palm downward block, some other blocks that you don't see very often in the other ITF patterns, or sometimes not at all. So that is why pattern number 4 is so important. That's why the Kibon set of patterns is so very important, because it completes everything that you have. It completes your knowledge base, and it really completes your pattern set. So that is Kibon Hyung number 4. And in the next lesson, I'm going to do the full pattern, start to finish, with no teaching, and show you a few different angles so you can see the whole pattern uninterrupted. So stay tuned for the next lesson.